This catalyst will send Shiba Inu Coin to the moon. Here's how. What is going on, guys? Kyle of Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Before we get in this video, make sure to leave a comment below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. If you guys are still holding Shiba Inu and what you guys think about the coin overall. Make sure to like this video too, guys. Let's get this video to 400 likes, guys. You guys kill it with the like goal every time we set one, and it's always awesome to see just how strong the Shiba Inu army is. Also, make sure too, if you guys want to pick up a free stock, hit the first link in the description below for public.com. Public.com is a social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling in both the stock and the crypto markets. We're personally on it, and if you guys want to see our portfolio, what we're buying, what we're selling on a day-to-day basis, you guys can hit the first link in the description below, sign up, and when you deposit $1, at least $1 I should say, you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. Typically have a great selection of companies: Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, different things like that. So if that sounds interesting, hit the first link in the description below. But let's talk Shiba Inu. So we are down, unfortunately, guys, 4.17% today. And again, I know. Red days, they're always fun to go through. They're always a blast to read some of the comments that people have. To the people who are patient, right, and are long-term holders of this coin and just are either buying the dips or still excited to be a part of the Shiba Inu community, thank you. Your service is much appreciated and, of course, very much valued. But to the people who kind of just go, yeah, this coin sucks, whatever, hey, you do what you do what you want to do. I totally understand, right? I'm not going to sit here and judge you just because you sell, okay? Like, if you sell, it's whatever. It's your decision at the end of the day, right? And I always encourage people on this channel, and I always encourage you guys, that if you are too invested in a coin, or if you worry too much about a coin, if it's giving you anxiety, if it's giving you any kind of stress to be invested in this coin and to take the either losses that you're taking or whatever it might be, again, you make your decision, right? I'm never, ever going to tell you guys, you need to invest in this coin, you need to do this for this coin, you need to do, like, I'm not going to do that. That's crazy. Like, that is actually crazy for me to sit here and try to control how my audience invests. It does not make sense, guys, and that is just, it's super unethical too. So again, guys, you guys need to do your own research and due diligence before investing in anything. I always say this, and we always try to make that very clear. But I digress. Let's talk about Shiba Inu, right? This is a Shiba Inu video, not a Kyle video. But anyways, the entire cryptocurrency market is down. Pretty much everything's in the red, around 5 to 7% in the red, which isn't great. But again, this is the cryptocurrency market. Everybody knows that it's volatile, and everybody knows, of course, that these types of days happen. And one of the big reasons why Shiba Inu continues to see new lows, and this is happening almost on a daily basis now, which kind of blows, kind of sucks, but one of the big reasons that this keeps happening is literally because of market conditions, guys. You got to remember that Shiba Inu just over the last month has every day had something new happening with it as far as news is related. New payment options, new company partnerships, new news in general just coming out all the time, in good news, positive news about this coin, which you would think would really drive the price somewhere in the higher price ranges here. But again, it's just kind of gotten beaten down and beaten down and beaten down. And one of the main reasons that's happening is just because the market, unfortunately, it's just a bad time for crypto right now, guys. December is not a pretty month because there's a lot of things happening right now. A lot of rumor of speculation in Congress. There's a lot of people who want to take advantage of certain tax laws that they think might change next year, especially with crypto, because again, if crypto does get regulated and we do see some type of thing happen like that, again, who knows? Sorry, I just touched the mic there. There was like a little fuzz on the mic. But either way, the whole point here is that, again, a lot of people are kind of selling in the market right now, and that's kind of driving a lot of the red movement and the overall red, I guess, momentum that we keep seeing. So again, this is not a Doge, or not a Dogecoin, Jesus Christ, not a Shiba Inu coin specific problem. This is not Shiba Inu's issue. This is a market issue. Again, if you can see, like, Shiba Inu tries to recover. Look at every time it's tried to go green, the market has just gone, nope, you're going to go red. And substantially so. You're going to go even worse red than you probably expect, which is why, again, a lot of the people in our comments have been very upset with how Shiba Inu has been performing as of late. A lot of people are selling out and just closing out their positions altogether. And again, guys, I don't want you to see that and say, oh, God, I need to do it too. Like, everybody else is getting out. I need to get out. Listen. Make your own decisions. Like I said in the beginning of the video, here's what I'm doing. Let me explain my strategy, and then we'll get into the catalyst of the later part of the video that I think will save Shiba Inu, in my opinion. But what I do is typically I buy the dips, especially when the RSI, and I'll even pull it up right now, RSI, here we go. what I do is I look at the RSI and I try to find low points. I try to find points where we go significantly below, or not even significantly below, we even touch the 30 level, which for instance, like right around here, we touch the 30 level down here, which means that this coin was oversold. Way more sellers than there were buyers, which typically means that a reversal in that could happen, eventually. And of course, that happened right here a little bit, but again, it just went lower. The only problem with this strategy is that sometimes the RSI doesn't perfectly time the bottom like it did here, right? Where it just kept going lower and lower and lower. But again, I try to buy on red days. I try to buy even little pieces here and there, and I hold long term. I have not sold a single Shiba Inu coin since we have started buying this coin, Zach and I, since back in like May, and we're still holding strong. And again, we want to hold until this coin reaches something substantial, like $1 or even, a cent, whatever it is, the crazy price targets that everybody has in their head that I'm sure I'm going to get yelled at by 3 people in the comments, because I said 1 cent or $1. But either way, that's my strategy. That's what I do, right? I buy the dips. I hold long term. Very simple. It's what I do. You don't have to do that. You guys can do your own thing, but that is my personal strategy, and that is the way that I trade this coin. Now, that's the way I see it so far. So even though short term we're still kind of bearish as far as the momentum is going with Shiba Inu, long term I still believe in this coin. I still think that in 2022 we're going to do some incredible things with this coin, no doubt. The whole cryptocurrency market as a whole, I think, is going to do a lot of incredible things. But again, that's a year out. So in the meantime, I'm holding. But also in the meantime, let's talk about those catalysts that I think will obviously change the game for Shiba Inu. It's Robinhood. You guys know. Come on. It's Robinhood, right? Listen, I know that some people have mixed feelings, if you will, about Robinhood. They have mixed feelings about whether or not this coin would add any, or not coin, this listing rather, would add any kind of, what would you say? I guess any kind of good stuff. I don't know what to say, like any kind of price increase to the coin. And it will. I really think it will. Robinhood is one of, if not the largest exchanges as far as stock trading goes. And I think crypto trading is really around the corner for it. I think the next kind of pieces of advancement that Robinhood is trying to push forward in the cryptocurrency market, I think will be a very big deal. But again, we have to see. We have to see if this is even going to happen. There's a lot of rumor and speculation right now that could Shiba Inu Coin join Robinhood in January. Let's read a little bit more. So, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency coin might join Robinhood platform in January 2022, according to a new report. A Shiba Inu news Twitter account, which, keep in mind, I know what people have said about this account. You don't have to tell me in the comments. I understand, guys. I know that this account isn't always the most... Well, okay, allegedly. Again, this is all speculated. We don't know for sure if these, if this account is necessarily like, false or misreporting things or whatever it might be. So please keep that in mind as I read this. But again, they posted this, and this was like on December 9th. They said, breaking, while Robinhood app has not made any official announcement about listing Shib, we're told by an insider that they're having an executive meeting at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today to discuss the possibility of listing Shib as well as 2 to 3 other cryptos in January. So, if that is true, right, we know that inside, right, Robinhood insider talks and just overall information, meetings are happening. We know that cryptocurrency is trying to be, I guess, touted as a much more, I guess, what would you say, an effective way to invest on Robinhood. We know that Robinhood wants to push forward their crypto trading options and assets that you could potentially get into, and I think that that's a good thing overall. But again, if they list Shib, is still very speculative, guys. This is a speculative account. We don't know if they're, we don't know. We don't know if they're lying. We don't know if they're maybe fibbing to get some likes and clicks. It remains on, guys, we don't know. I mean, look, they're in a news article. So like, either if this is true, like, awesome. But again, if this is false, it's a little disingenuous, right? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. If you guys think this is a accurate or real tweet, if they're lying or if they're not lying. But of course, let me know in the comments below if you guys think Robinhood will have a substantial impact on the price. In my opinion, I think it will. If we look at Kraken, which actually this was around here, this was the Kraken exchange listing right in here where my cursor is. Huge bump towards the upside, but it just could not hold at those levels because the overall market was tanking. The cryptocurrency market was not doing very well that day. And of course, it substantially slid to the downside after that, and of course, continued to go. Now, again, I think Robinhood has a much higher potential as far as upside goes, and I'll even draw out. Again, this is very rough. Don't get mad. I'm not going, oh, it's going to go all the way up here. If anything, I think we'll probably shoot to at least the previous resistance level that Kraken hit around there. And then I think we might start to kind of consolidate around here. And then I think we can maybe, hopefully, push higher in 2022 as the cryptocurrency market kind of comes to a more stabilized kind of position, if you will. Sorry about my voice today, guys. It's been like doing all kinds of weird stuff. But, hopefully it stabilizes and then it pushes to new highs in the obviously coming future. We'll have to see, guys. Of course, let me know in the comments below everything that you think. I think that Robinhood will list in January of 2022. Let me know what you guys think. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance, bro. Take it easy.